Refreshing, pleasantly sweet, and full of summer flavors. This Middle Eastern-inspired mint iced tea is perfect for hot days. Made with fresh mint and a hint of orange blossom, it brings the flavors of the Middle East straight into your glass. I'll show you how to make it at home and share with you my tips to keep your iced tea from turning bitter so it stays sweet and refreshing. Let's go!
If you're new here, welcome. My name is Kitty and this channel is all about Middle Eastern recipes and culture with a special focus on my beloved country, Jordan. All you need is a handful of simple ingredients. Water is the base of your iced tea. Then we need loose leaf black tea, for example Ceylon. You could also use green tea instead. Fresh mint, sugar, ice cubes or crushed ice plays a key role in making iced tea. More on that later. And optionally some orange blossom water. Check out the description box for the full ingredients list and a printable recipe card. Ready to make iced tea? Let's get started. We'll start with the mint. Pluck the mint leaves off the stems one by one. We'll only be using the leaves, not the thicker stems. You can use both the larger and smaller leaves, either works perfectly. Let's move on to the stove. Grab a small saucepan or teapot and add water. Once it's hot, add sugar and stir until it dissolves completely. When the water is hot, almost boiling point, add the tea leaves and fresh mint. Turn the heat down to medium to low and let the tea gently simmer for about a minute or two, just enough to bring out those rich flavors. If you're using black tea, a short simmer brings out that deep aromatic taste. About 1 to 2, maximum 3 minutes are enough depending on how strong you'd like your iced tea to be. If you prefer green tea instead of black tea leaves, keep the temperature lower and simmer for only about a minute. That's the white bitterness since green tea is more delicate. If you've ever wondered why iced tea tastes so good while cold black tea, well, doesn't quite, the next step will give you the answer. Grab a large heat-proof pitcher. Fill it with plenty of ice cubes or crushed ice. Add a splash of orange blossom water to the pitcher. This will give the iced tea a subtle floral note. I'm using about half a teaspoon here. You really only need a little bit. And here's where the magic happens. Move to the sink and pour the hot tea directly from the saucepan into the pitcher over the ice. There is no need to wait for the tea to cool first. This method is called flash chilling, and it's what keeps the iced tea fresh and vibrant, preventing any bitterness. If you let the tea cool on the stove, even after removing the tea leaves, it can turn bitter. Flash chilling locks in the flavor perfectly. As the ice melts, it will slightly dilute the tea, but don't worry, we've already accounted for that in the brewing. It will be just right. Ideally, chill in the fridge for a couple of hours to ensure it's really cold. When you're ready to serve, pour into glasses, adding more ice if you like. Sweet, floral, and super refreshing, this iced tea is perfect for hot days. Enjoy!